Hello, welcome back to Helping Hand from OKC. Today here guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this yourself, how to save yourself some money. We have a busted curve here. I don't know if you can see this, it's been chipped out. We had a quote for over $5,000 to have this repaired, but I'm going to show you how to fix it under 60 to 100 bucks. The things you need to do this, the module trowel, quick set cement. You can get this in various sizes. This is already ready. It's for repairing concrete, patch holes and whatnot. This run roughly about 20 bucks. Something to scratch the surface and a pair of gloves. The first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to prep the surface first. Any loose debris, you want to go ahead and remove it. It takes something like a scratch brush. I'm going to get rid of all the loose rocks or anything. And we're going to go ahead and mix up our cement. You also need a pan to mix your cement in. And this is ready mixed, so all you have to add is just water. What I usually do, I just pour a little water in at a time and kind of slowly mix it. It's kind of runny. It's kind of runny. You can always add a little bit more till you get the right consistency to where you can handle it. Just mix it up. You see, that's almost there. I mean, just a little bit more. That's almost the right distance. You don't want to do it. You want to be able to handle it. And if you can see it, it's trying to beat up a little bit. See, it's kind of like beating. That lets you know it's ready. You just take it in. Place into the concrete. You see that I have it in there. Now I'm going to just form it to the same form that it has the concrete. That's the micro trail. We'll take a bit of that against that. Cut it. Maybe a bit more. Yeah. What I'm doing now, I'm kind of curving it on the edges so it look like that it's set. And whenever you have like cracks, it's always good to go ahead and patch them or cover them, because what happens, the water keep getting in them. And once the water get in it, it'll keep cracking and cause more and more damage. I'll let it dry a little bit longer, then I'll take my sponge and kind of sponge it. Okay guys, that's basically it. I repaired this chipped out concrete. Save yourself a lot of money. Your local hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, just get all the things you can do. You can save yourself a lot of money. That'd be it. I thank you guys for this opportunity to share this easy tip, easy repair, which saves you a lot of money. You can do it yourself. I believe in you. For those who had not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can do so. You can follow me on Helping Hand OKC. That's Helping Hand OKC. Like, subscribe, share, and I thank you. Bye-bye.